welcome to Santa Fe. So we are actually here because we were filming on location for a new series that we are coming out with. Today is the first day of filming and I'm so excited but also a little bit nervous. Have a lot to prove, but everything will go well. I'm so excited. Are you ready for the day?
It is a beautiful day here at Chimayo. We are already cameras on balance, all gimbaled out. We're doing drone stuff, and then soon we're gonna go ahead and start all of our A-roll on the main camera. So I am very excited, very happy to be here.